Hello my friends, I am Yousof In. Today we have the story of the best bird. Let's begin. The owl says, I am the best bird. Look at me. Look at me. I can fly. I can fly. The duck says, but I can dive. The owl says, I can hoot. I can hoot. The parrot says, but I can talk. The owl says, I can see a long way. The ostrich says, but I can run fast. The owl says, I can hide among leaves. The penguin says, but I can slide on the ice. The owl's mother says, we are all best at something, but you are my best bird. The story ends here. My friends, like and subscribe and share. Goodbye.